मंगळारा वास्कोच्या आशापुरा इमारतीचे राखणे वळत कोसळ्ळी. दाट पावसाक लागून वणत पडली अशें पळोवपी सांगतात. दुसरे वटेन सोनसड्यावेलो कोयर धापून पुसून कांयच उपेग जाल्लो ना. कोयरांतल्यान भायर सरपी पावसाचें घाण उदक खळयांतल्यान व्हांवूंक लागलां. तिसरें म्हणल्यार आरोशीचे पार्क हायंत हॉटेल घाण उदक दर्यान सोडटा असो दुबाव लोकांक आसा. आरोशीच्या पंचांनी पळोवणी केली आनी उदक तपासपाक धाडलें.
आरोसी हांव बिचार गेलो सकाळी सोपाक गेल्यार म्हाका थंय उदक जायत स्टॉप जालो उदक आसलो न्ही ताचो वास मारता चड वास मारता. जेन्ना वास मारता नुस्त्या चोयलें नुस्त्या पासून मोठ्या हांवें चोयलें आनी जेन्नाय पंचायती मनशाक फोन मारलो बेलनाक म्हाका सांगलें कोण येता ती मत थिंगा राव आनी कोणाक आयता चोय थिंगा आनी जायत एकट्याक केलें सगळें चोयलें आनी बेलना पयलो हाडून आनी बेलन सांगलें म्हाका मत उदका बाटल्यो वचून तयार कर आनी तें उदक तांकां धाडया चोयच्या. आमच्या हॉटलान चोळी सर कित्याक तिन्यास उदक येता तें वास हायताचें हायता हॉटलाचें आनी खंयच्या उदक येना तें आरोस हॉटला पासून आमी चोयलें थिंगा सगळें ड्राय आहा पूण हायता उदक तें सारकें कोटा येयलें म्हणटा थिंगा आनी तें सगळें साकळ जम्यान जालां आनी तें हायता कसो आमी चोयलें थिंगसो उदक तें कोटा येयलें म्हणून.
फोंडेच्या संजीवन सोसायटीन चॅरिश इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ विमन एम्पावरमेंट ही शिक्षण संस्था सुरू करपाचें थारायलां. मंगळारा तांणी ही घोशणा केली. गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांतल्या बायलांक बऱ्या दर्जाचें शिक्षण दिवपा हेतान चॅरिश इन्स्टिट्यूट वावुरतलें. चॅरिश ह्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय चॅरिटेबल संस्थे कडल्यान निधी घेवन संजीवन संस्था ही संस्था इन्स्टिट्यूट चलयतली.
Now we are launching new program that is called Institute for Women Empowerment. Purpose of this course, especially you must be wondering when there are so many colleges, arts, science, commerce, engineering, medical, why we have started this course is that we feel that most higher education courses are theoretical and do not focus on overall development of the students. Many skills required in day-to-day life, both at home and work, are not imparted upon the students in most courses. This institute proposes to offer courses that are both useful and enjoyable for every student. And the course will be open for all girls having passed 10th standard or above, as well as for older ladies looking to continue their education.
We are looking at a holistic development of the students. We want them to be able to get a good job, a respectable job on their merit. At the same time, we also want to train them to take care of their family, which we feel is an important part of a girl's life.
डेम्पो स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक यशाचे तेंगशेर व्हरून दवरपी खडेगाड प्रशिक्षक आर्मांद कुलासोन निवृत्तीचे संकेत दिल्यात. फाटल्या सिजनांत आर्मांदाची भलायकी बरी नासली. तशेंच ताच्या हार्टाचें ऑपरेशन केल्लें. ताका लागून ताची फुडली कारकीर्द ताचे भलायकेचेर निंबून आसतली. नवो सिजन घडये आर्मांदाचो निमणो सिजन तारू येता. देशांतलो प्रशिक्षकां खातीरचो सर्वोच्च द्रोणाचार्य पुरस्कार आपल्याक मेळटलो अशी ताका आस्त आसा.
I think it's time for me to go, probably because there are two reasons here. I've been here for quite a long time. I don't want the players to get stale with me, same type of football, possession football. And now new techniques have come. Maybe the new coach comes, take over, he'll do much better than me. And then my health also does not permit me to carry on for too long. So it's like that. But once I get that Dronacharya, I think that will be the final thing for me.
Okay, but are you hinting that this season could be, the coming season, would you be there with Dempo?
I will always be at Dempo. I don't think of leaving Dempo because this is the club where I came up after Don Bosco retreat. I don't think, except a few occasions when I was not in football, I left and joined Chechel Brothers. But then Mr. Srinivas Dempo, my president chairman, was good enough to bring me back. And I enjoy the best of time here. I enjoyed it as a player, I enjoy it as a coach, and I'm also enjoying it as an administrator. So let's see how things work out.
So as head coach this season, would you be with Dempo Sports Club?
I will always be. This season I will always be. If I'm fit enough the next season, I will continue because Dempo and Armand, they always go together. It all depends on my health.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचें तर हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.